everybody, welcome back to another Recycled Crafts program with Miss Echo. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pinwheel using items that you'd probably have at home. I know that a lot of tutorials online will show you how to do this with a ruler and fancy paper and a straw, but in case you don't have those things and you still want to learn how to make a pinwheel, I figured I'd show you how to make a simpler one with just recyclables at home. So what you'll need to make this pinwheel today is you will need a pair of scissors, a piece of paper, a thumbtack, some tape, and a toilet paper tube. So what we're going to do, I chose this piece of paper because you can see it's not quite a straight line. I'm going to show you how to make a perfect square of paper without having a ruler. And so how you do that is no matter what the shape of the paper is, you take one corner and you fold it until it seems as though you have a pretty straight line. So you kind of want the paper to just have this perfect triangular shape. So then what we're going to do is we're going to cut along one side, and then we're going to cut along the other side. All right, and so now we have this triangle. But you can see that I have a little bit extra on here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it again into a smaller triangle. And then I'm just going to cut along this imperfect edge. And now we have all of the sides. Oh, that side's not that even. Let me get that side. All right, so now we have even sides on both sides. And then this is going to be a little bit easier because now you'll be able to see the lines that you need to cut when you open it up. So we're going to cut along each of these fold lines towards the center, but you don't want to cut all the way into the center because you don't want everything to fall apart. So I only cut, let's see, there's about 2 fingers width from here to the center. So I'm going to do that again, and it doesn't need to be perfect either. It's totally fine if you get a little bit closer on one than you do another. All right, so now we have this very flimsy 4 corners cut piece of paper. So what we're going to do now is you're going to fold every other corner. So we're going to take this corner and fold it into the center like that. And we're not going to fold this corner in, but we're going to move on to the next triangle that we cut. We're going to fold in that first corner as well. And we're going to do the same thing on the next one. So that way you can see it. So then we skip one and do the same very next thing on this one. All right. So now we have a pinwheel. That was so simple, right? What we're going to do is we're going to put our thumbtack in the middle to hold it, and then we're going to push the thumbtack through the toilet paper tube like that. So this is where the tape comes in. Just to make sure that the thumbtack stays, we're going to take a piece of tape, and you don't want it to come out onto the pinwheel because then it won't spin around. You want to just gently tape over the thumbtack so that way no fingers get hurt. And there you have it. You have a pinwheel. And so if you loosen the thumbtack a little bit, it'll move around a little bit better. You can blow on it. It's hard to do with my phone recording, but you can blow on it and it'll move around. You could put it outside and see how the wind moves it. Or you can pretend that it's a windmill and add it to a little collection of fairy houses, whatever you wish to do. But that is how you make a pinwheel using just simple things that you'd have at home. Thank you. Have a great day.